Yes, hello my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm showing you how to prepare your herbal syrup. Yes, tough concoction, cough, flu, colds. Yes, and before we do that, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell so that you don't miss any videos. You're notified every time I post a video. Yes, I've been recording posting videos about the different herbs and concoctions, and I've been getting many emails telling me how do we prepare the herbs, how do we go about it, and now this is the video. I'm showing you a step-by-step tutorial, easy tutorial on how you can prepare your own herbs, your own concoction. Yes, let's go. So you make sure your herbs are well washed, well prepared. You've washed all of them, you've prepared them aside, you know what you're going to cut. Then you start cutting them in a clean saucepan. Yes, make sure you have all the herbs ready. You start cutting them in a clean saucepan, all of them together. Cut them in smaller pieces so that they are easy to boil, and the backs, break them if you can into smaller pieces like this. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to get notified every time I post a video. Thank you for watching. I've attached a video of the different herbs you can boil for cough, for respiratory problems, cough, flu, asthma. Yes, very strong herbal concoction is what we are preparing in this video, and I'm showing you how you prepare it. You cut everything in smaller pieces, the ginger, the garlic, all of them in smaller pieces. In a saucepan, you add them and mix them together. Make sure they are clean, make sure your fingers are clean. You can use a kitchen scissor, or you can use a knife, a kitchen knife, like this. Exactly. Cut everything together, the onions, everything, cut it together. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to get notified every time I post a video. Thank you for watching. So after cutting and preparing everything, you add water. In this one, I've added 13 liters of water, and you boil at low heat until after it has started boiling. You add also pineapple peelings and cover to boil. Remove when it is remaining 9 to 10 liters, yes, of concentrated cough syrup or concoction. When you're drinking as an adult, using a cup, you take 3 sips, 3 to 5 sips depending on your size, times 5 times a day. A child is 2 tablespoons times 5 times a day. Yes. This syrup is very strong and very bitter. It has all the bitterness, the sourness in it. So if you want, you can add some honey to it. This is real conch honey from my hive. Yes. So if you want, you can add some, but for me, I don't. If I'm to take honey, I take it later. But if you want, you can add maybe a spoon or 2 of honey. For me, I don't. I take it the way it is. I don't like it with honey. You don't have to worry about preserving this syrup, even if you don't have a fridge. You don't have to worry about preserving this syrup, because it will take a very long time when it's okay. Because we put Syzygium cumin, call it jamun or jambul, jambula. Okay, yes. Once it's there, of course it has other healing properties like treats diabetes and all that stuff, but then it is a very good preservative. So enjoy the syrup. Tell me later. Let's boost our immunities. Let's kick out those colds and coughs from our families. Yes, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've learned a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Now, remember, this syrup is very conk. Take precaution when you're taking it. Don't take too much.